What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to locate and remove your cabin air filter from your 2019 F250 Super Duty. First step is going to be to open the glove box. Open the upper glove box. You're going to need to remove this rubber insert you have here, okay? Just grab it and you're going to pull on it, okay? And you're going to remove it. It's just held in with these clips right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to remove these 7 millimeters, okay? Once you get those out, we can lower the glove box. All right, now you're gonna have to disconnect the damper you have on the side of your glove box. If you look at it, it's slotted the way it's connected. You just pull it towards you. All right, then you can pull it off, okay? Now if you notice that there's these glove box stoppers right here, you're gonna have to push these in on both sides. There's one here, and there's one here, okay? The glove box would come down. Now we're gonna remove this whole thing right here, and it just pops right off. We're gonna have to pull it off, okay? All right. Now you can disconnect these if you want. I'm gonna try to do this without doing that, by just moving it out of the way. The cabin filter is located in this compartment right here, okay? To undo the door, you're gonna unclip the side of it over here. This is kind of hard to get to, but both sides are like this. And then you can move it down and out of the way. Here's the cabin filter. Okay, just note that it does say airflow on the original OEM one. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box for a new one if you need to get a new one. Okay, this one definitely needs to be changed, so I'm gonna order one. But when you get the new one, just replace it just like you took it apart. Okay, everything just snaps together like it should. Nice and easy, okay? Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, really appreciate it. If you'd like, and if you'd subscribe. You guys, take care. Be safe. Have a great weekend.